So on the other side of the plant, second floor, forklift access ramp. Guys are making good progress. We're able to get everything tied off good. Kind of a scramble getting this part of the job done, but it's done. Get all this poured out nice, much nicer grade. We're going to float that edge, tie it in nicely. And this phase of the job will be done. Put a broom finish on it. 4,000 PSI concrete, half-inch rebar. Get rid of this C-slope that was there before. A big shout out to SRM Concrete. Got us just what we needed right on time. Everybody pulled through and made it happen. So if we can help you out with your commercial remodeling project, please give us a call, 478-501-0102. The crew's equipment, experience, and commitment to getting it right the first time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.